So over here, you can see that I have an image with a green background. And let's say I want to go ahead and remove that particular background right here. That is the green background. So for that, you can utilize something called the background erase brush. So to do that, you need to go to the pixel section and then click and hold the eraser section right here. And here you can see the background erase brush option right here. So you can change the size of the brush right here just like this as per what you need. And then you can simply click right here, click and hold, and then it'll take the sample of that particular color. And as you draw around, you can see that it does not actually affect out the colors besides it. So as you let go and click somewhere else, then it takes sample again. So let me just press Ctrl Z and I'm simply going to go ahead and take sample of the green color. So I'm just going to click and hold, and then I can go ahead and click and drag to go ahead and erase this out. I can even change the size of the brush right here and add in stabilizer, flow as with any other brush. But let me just go ahead and take sample, click and hold, and simply go ahead and erase the background out right here, just like this. I can click and drag right here, just like this, and then you can see that that is what you have. Let's just go around over here and zoom in, and you can see that there are some places where I still need to remove things. So I can click and hold and remove this out right here. Go ahead, click and hold and remove it out right here. Zoom in, and you can see that there are different backgrounds right here. So you can go around over here and change the brush size to go ahead and take a sample right here and erase it out just like this as well. So you can go around over here, click and drag it out right here just like this, and remove out these as well. So if the sample brush is not doing all of the things, you can simply switch back to the normal eraser tool and then erase it out right here just like this as well. So this is how you can go ahead and remove out the background right here. And now the layer is transparent. So if I were to press Ctrl C and V or hold Alt and drag, you can see that the background has been removed now. And that is what you can do with the background erase brush. And you can simply go ahead and use the background erase brush with any colors that you want. It doesn't have to be green. So that is how you can go ahead and utilize out the background erase brush inside of Affinity. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.